seems like forever since I have reviewed a palette. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing review on the palette from One Size. Yes, this is Patrick Starr's brand and I am really excited that I was able to pick this up. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. Yes, I know it has been a hot minute since I have done a palette review on my channel. I had posted on my Instagram, I want to say not yesterday, but the day before, that the reason why is that there haven't really been any kind of releases that have been piquing my interest, but I have a couple coming in that really have, and I'm really excited to show you guys and to review them for you. As I stated in the intro, I do have the Patrick Starrr Visionary palette from his brand One Size. I have loved Patrick Starrr ever since I started back in makeup and I found him on YouTube. He's one of my OGs that I still watch to this day all the time. Between him and Nikki Tutorials, those two are the ones that I really like to stay, that I really have stayed with throughout my whole journey of makeup, YouTube, whatever you want to call it. Two of my favorite videos of his is one when he did a recreation of his mom, and it was an hilarious video. I really did like that video. And the other one was, I can't remember what it was. I think it was called Yes, I Am a Man, where he talks about how, yes, he is a male in makeup and all that stuff. And it's just, the end of it just had me crying the ugliest tears ever. But it's a really good video. I highly recommend that you guys go watch it. And when he announced that he was bringing out his own brand, I was just so happy because, to me personally, I think it was long overdue. So I do have the palette that I am going to try on for you guys and show you swatches, but I also have the Go Off Mist and the makeup remover wipes as well. I'm actually going to do this review on these products on my Instagram, so be on a lookout for that. But let's go ahead and start talking about this palette. So this is the Patrick Starrr Visionary palette. Let me get this bad boy open. This is what the packaging looks like. I like how it's cut here at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see the black, and then it's like, it's just really cool. It's not like flat like most eyeshadow palettes are. And it says on the back, Patrick Starrr Visionary Eyeshadow Palette, a one-size-fits-all 15-pan eyeshadow palette with 9 super pigmented mattes and 6 eye-catching shimmers that are opaque, creamy, and blendable. Patrick Starrr created this visionary palette for all-day, everyday shadow essentials with neutrals, warm tones, pops of color, and the deepest black. And this palette is vegan and cruelty-free. Well, of course it'd be cruelty-free, otherwise I wouldn't be reviewing it. But it is vegan as well. And get a plastic piece. This is what she looks like. I really do like the color scheme of this. I like how you can do like an everyday natural look and then you can warm it up a bit. That's what I did today. I used the warm tones, and then you also have a few pops of color here. And I like how this row right here, you could just use these 3 shades right here, the black, the blue, and this like bluish silver shimmer shade, and call it a day. I mean, that would be the most beautiful smoky eye ever. And I like how these shades right here coincide together. It's just a really nice palette. I wasn't really expecting it to be like this. I thought it was going to be more of the cool tone side, but I really do like how it does have the warm tones in it, because warm tones bring out my baby blues. And I do want to go across each row and tell you what shades they are. I am going to link Patrick's video down below if you want to see the story behind the palette and behind the shade names. I am going to show swatches later on in the video, so you will have that. But the first row we have Manila Sands, Taupe of My Game, Brownie, Suede Charm, and Turban Legend. And I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that imprint. It's a little smiley face with a turban on it. I love it because, as you guys know, the turban is Patrick Starr's trademark look. So next row we have Title Holder, Soft Serve, Everything, All of It, and Blue Mondew. And then you have this little imprint right here on Soft Serve. So pretty. Then the last row we have Mango, Booked, Walnut Strut, Matcha, and Rebel Gray. And Matcha has the same imprint as Turban Legend, but it's a different turban. I just realized that. That's cute. They're two different turbans. That's super, super cute. All right, so let's go ahead and show how I made this makeup look. All right, so I went ahead and I prepped my eyes with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. And now I'm actually going to set it. And I'm going to use the shade Manila Sands right here to do that. I think I want to do a neutral look today. I know, who am I? I've been doing a lot of color looks lately, so I think doing a neutral look is good to change things up a little bit. First shade I want to go into is my transition shade, and I'm going to go in with the shade Soft Serve. Look how cute that imprint is. That is super, super cute. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm going in with my AOA Studio E130 from the Paw Paw Charity Program collection. Ooh, that is pretty. As always, I'm going to do my right eye on camera, my left eye off camera. I screwed up. Gotta love it. The Soft Serve shade blended out really nice. Now I am going in, I've already started, I'm sorry, with the shade Booked to warm it up. I'm going to bring it into my crease and blend it up. All right, now I'm going to go in with Brownie, and I'm going to just deepen up the outer corner and the crease just a tad. I don't want to deepen up too much because I don't want it to be like a blown out dark look. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, this is exactly how I wanted it to go. I didn't want it to be too dark on the outer corners because I wanted to keep that book shade the star of the show. But now I am going to go with a little shimmer on my lids, and I am going to go in with the shade Everything because I don't know, the shade is calling my name. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's just calling my name. Oh, this is so pretty. I really like this look. It is super, super pretty. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of Title Holder right here and just dab it in the middle of my lid just to give it a little bit of lightness, not too much because I don't want to take away with what I already got going on because I really, really do like it. Oh, yes. All right, I am going to run the swatches of this palette for you guys and finish up the rest of my face, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. everybody, those were the swatches, and this is the completed look. I really do like it. It really makes my baby blues just go, oh, pow, right there in your face. That's one thing I've always liked about warm tones, is that they make my baby blues just pop. I love it. For my inner corner and my brow bone, I did go into the ABH Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and used the shade Kitty Cat right here. There wasn't a light enough shade in the palette for me to use, and I didn't want to use that bright gold shade because I didn't want it to take away from what else I have going on. So I just needed just a little bit of lightness there in the inner corner to spice it up a bit. My final thoughts on the Patrick Starrr Visionary palette. I really do like it. I like how the color scheme is really, you can go as soft as you want, you can go as dark as you want, and then you have this like pop of blue, you got a green here, and I just really do like it. The formula is really nice. They're really soft. You do get some kickback in the palette. I did have a little bit of fallout with the brownie shade, but other than that, it was great. I really do like it. It is a very, very nice palette. And I also like the way that it's cut too, how the packaging is cut. It's different. If you plan on purchasing this palette, you can get it at Sephora and on One Size's website, and it goes for $42. There is also a liquid liner that comes in just black for $19. I'm looking at my notes, sorry, for $19. And there's also a pencil liner that comes in black and brown for $19 as well. I also have the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. I'm actually going to review this on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out. This is the 3.4 ounce can. This is the full size can for $24. They also sell a 2 ounce can for $18. And I also got the Go Off Makeup Remover Wipes as well. The juiciest makeup remover wipes as well. I'll be reviewing this along with the mist on my Instagram. So like I said, make sure you're on the lookout for that. You can get 10 wipes for $8 or 21 wipes for $15. I am really excited to see what Patrick is going to come out with this brand. I just really, really like Patrick Starrr. He is one of like the OGs of mine that I still watch to this day, and I love everything that he does. And yeah, he's just a really, really great role model when it comes to boys in makeup, to plus size in makeup. It just, I love it. He's just awesome. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, the rest of the products that I used for today's look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Yeah, I just wanted a little bit of poof try this again. The final thoughts on my Patrick Starrr. Ooh, 2 videos down. I gotta edit them. Fun.